Hello guys, welcome back to my another Minecraft video. And today I'm gonna show you a 3 village in one world. First, you're making world new and advanced. The seed is final. Oh no, I don't see it. That's a name. Seed final. All capital. Always remember, always capital in the seed. Final. And create world. This is the first village. First village. And follow this. Oh no, it's like, and it's the second village. Second village is lag. Ito to. Oh, it is lag. And I think the second is there. The first. So laggy. Not there, sorry. What the fudge? There's a bunny in the desert? Wow. The heck? You're going to follow this for the second and follow this. So lag. Sad. I think and wait, showing your Cerebrine temple. Here it first, and we're gonna go in there. Destroy that. See this. Have a diamond. There's a 4 diamond. This chest. The chest have 4 diamonds. Why it is laggy. And it's the first village. Yes, you're gonna follow in this. Wait, it's so laggy. Here's the third village. Third village. And that is the last. Thanks for watching, guys. I borrowed this phone in my mom because my phone is cannot open. Maybe it crashed. I download a map and I joined the world. My phone just off and cannot open. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe me. Please like video. Subscribe me. Obsidian and this blacksmith. And goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and subscribe me. Thanks.